Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you are notified of when we upload new video content, which is always going to be on a regular basis. You'll be one of the first to view, first to like, first to comment, first to share, and all that good stuff there. Now, to make your money as a man, or your own money as a man, at the end of the day, you have to do an Acorn and create your own currency. And with that, and you heard that door slam, that's just it. Or the other alternative is this. You have to create your own ownership of business or companies, all that stuff there. And that's how you're going to make your own money. So if you click the link in the description box below, where it says become a member of the Akib Ulan Trust, you get access to online courses such as, career and business. And that's where you're going to learn what your purpose is, what your personalized mission on earth is, and you'll be able to learn how to monetize that so you can actually create your own money. But also, you learn, money management skills, which is in the money management course as well. All right. So if you've got any questions, any topics you'd like for us to discuss in our videos, leave that in the comment section below. And remember, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, because you never know the video you suggest might just be next.